Hey fellas, these two guys up in Kansas City, we having a problem with our turbo. It's leaking, so we're gonna put a turbo on it. It threw oil everywhere on the motor, so we took the intake off, but we're gonna put valve cover gaskets on it. And we happen to find a good motor with a bad injector pump in it, so we took the turbo off of it, painted it up, gonna put it on the truck. Painted up the rest of the parts on it. Gonna put a new water pump on it, 195-degree thermostat in it, keep it cool, and a GM water pump on it. When I read up on it, that's what they said we need to do. So that's what we got going on. Yeah. It's hell to work on though, but we're gonna get her done. We're on the 4th of July. Just a couple of days of rain up here kept us down, so this is what we got going on. 6.5 turbo diesel with a tow rig in the back. If you have any questions about what we doing, you know, we can always use some opinions and some help on what we doing. We just been reading things off the internet. That's how we've been figuring out things about this truck, keeping it running. We don't have no money to afford to get another, so we just got to keep this one going. But this is a Jasmine crate motor we got in here though now. I've been having it in here 4 years. Only thing went wrong with it was the ejector pump. I brought an ejector pump off by autopart.com. They sold me an ejector pump for like 500 bucks. It went out. It lasted about 6 months and it went out, but my warranty was still good, and they sent me another one back. So I ain't had no problem out of this one. So it's been doing all right now. But other than that, let me finish getting back doing what I'm doing. I got a long day ahead of me.